So guys, it's currently 10:30 at night right now. And guess what we're experiencing right now?
Nothing.
Shut up. So guys,
Subscribe to my
as I am getting ready for bed for school tomorrow, there's lightning. It usually strikes about right there, but it strikes right here. This direction, where I'm pointing my camera at. Well, this is incredibly rare, because I get to see a house. I usually see a whole bunch of houses in my room, and I see this house in my room. Honestly, as I'm seeing through my window screen right now, I open up the window, and you'll be able to see the lightning. This is one of the most beautiful lightning shows I've ever seen. Whoa. I should say we apologize. Lightning is still striking. There should be another one in there now. Oh! Let's put this down. Yep, when I'm recording from my room, I'm recording this direction. You can kind of see all the lights from the direction where all of this lightning is striking. Yep. This is a nor'easter. Oh! So I set this camera down to get a good shot. My phone's dying on me. Did a house light just get turned off? Wow. Any man out of this should be a... Wow. Look at all those... All the drama from August 10th led me to this. And I apologize if I thunderstorm video from August 10th was only 2 minutes long. The lightning. Oh my god. Look at all this. Another lightning strike. Oh. This should be another lightning strike by now. Oh, there it is. It's getting frequent. There'll be another lightning strike any second now. Lightning. I'll be copying the whole video if I'm a little sick.
You're not sick. You're good?
I don't know what I have. But I'm gonna, I don't know what I have. My brother's crying for a hug. The lightning is apparently real. I never thought I could see another lightning show at night. Oh.
Stop, you stupid lightning, stupid show.
Go to bed. I'm trying to get my brother to bed. It's incredibly late for this boy to be crying for a hug. And another one should happen by 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, guys, I'm gonna be in the video.
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Salt Lake City, it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit and cloudy skies. Tonight, partly for thunderstorms, with a low of 58 degrees. Partly cloudy in the evening, and mostly.
Alexa, what's the weather at 11 p.m.?
Tomorrow in Salt Lake City, you'll see lots of clouds and thunderstorms, and can expect a high of 75 degrees Fahrenheit with a low of 58 degrees.
Yep. You'll be hearing all my weather radios for the rest of the night. Except when they go off. Which will not happen. Here's some white noise.
I don't hear any sound. And it's not even raining. See?
But it might rain by 11.
I don't know.
In the lightning show will be in this direction.
Or
I am 5 minutes into the video.
you know, it might rain and snow.
Yep.
Like
Get your face out of the window. Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed, go to bed, go to bed. The camera's fixed now. As more lightning is striking.
So this is what's gonna look like in Greenville. You know,
You made the camera knock over last time.
the sky is gonna look like that in Greenville.
He's talking about Greenville, guys. I apologize.
It's gonna look
Y'all
like,
know the game Greenville?
you know,
The role-playing game?
secret,
Yep. There will be more lightning strikes.
but you know, I wouldn't love it if Greenville added.
Oh my god, he's still talking about Greenville. Do I have to stop the camera and stop the video right here?
Oh God.
I already know what it's gonna look like, so go to bed.
Not that.
Please, lightning.
About, you know, like that light.
I already know. Lightning is striking,
Yeah,
and I might record in the living room early tomorrow morning.
but record a
If I ever feel like recording in the living room, I might record in the living room, probably later in this video, or possibly early, as 4 a.m.
right before the
Because 4 a.m. is the usual time I wake up,
so
and the thunderstorms should be.
so usually when the Greenville update will come out,
Oh, more lightning!
you know, Greenville update will probably come out by tomorrow or something.
And the video will be, I promise, as long as my August 1st video.
And the
Fall is approaching, we're getting a whole bunch of lightning strikes.
and we might get a lot new features.
Oh!
You know what? New features for fall in Greenville.
You'll be hearing white noises. Oh. More lightning! And more lightning!
I know what this. Lightning's
Oh
gonna
my god, move your face out the window.
stop.
I wouldn't need a great catch of lightning without your face out in the window.
Whatever.
Good. Look. Come on, man. What's wrong with you?
See, I don't know if they're gonna add this lightning to Greenville. I guess they're not actually going to add it. So we all know
Lightning is striking this direction again.
we all know that the Greenville update might come out.
But for now, I need to face this direction until
You know, the Greenville update comes out. Stop.
I bet they turn up the light. Because it's probably bedtime as I'm recording this. As I'm recording this, everybody's getting ready to go to bed. It's 10 o'clock at night. It's school tomorrow until the weekend. The weekend will head on when I get home from school. Oh, cute camera. I'm sorry for cussing.
Boom.
I don't want any nudity in this video. I don't want it taken down.
Boy. Oh shit.
I'll probably not censor the video because
Oh fuck.
lightning is striking the direction of where I recorded August 1st, 2021.
I'm telling my brother on you.
Yep, this will be the best lightning show of 2022, and tomorrow's lightning show will probably be visible from the living room window since
Shut up.
as for the storm is getting closer, probably at the end of this video, there will be close up lightning. From now on in my future Punisher videos, I'll be having the window open and recording this direction.
If I go outside ride my bike.
It's too late for that. Now go to bed.
I can't go to bed yet. I'm not even ready for bed yet. You know what? If I just
We're at 11 minutes into the video. Whoa.
can't I just go back outside? Can't I go back outside?
Roman, move your face.
It's not. I can see it 20.
I thought you hate lightning.
I don't like it.
Thanks. Make me drop my camera again.
I didn't.
If I ever go to sleep, I might be silent for the rest of the video. I'm getting my very first distant lightning. As of right now, it's 10 o'clock at night, and as I'm closing out this video, I'm going to bed. And as I'm going to bed, the lightning is getting closer and closer and closer and closer to us. It's still striking in the direction. Well, guys, I'd like to say to you all, I'll be silent on my next thunderstorm video since it will be very, very early in the morning. Yep, guys, this concludes this thunderstorm video I have. I could only catch up to 11 minutes due to my storage space being a freaking horrible piece of shit, even though it's at gigabytes. Oh! Never mind, I'm not in this video here yet. There's still more lightning to catch. And this lightning show, oh god, it is here. It is here in our direction. We might get some thunder with it as well, which you'll probably be hearing at the end of the video, which will probably go to end in a few minutes due to my bedtime. And and please know I'll not have time to crop out the video tomorrow since due to lightning tomorrow, possibly in school. I have school tomorrow. Yep, guys, I have school tomorrow. Oh god. And as I am, yep, guys, so all the lightning videos will be edited. This Friday I'll be releasing a thunderstorm video from today, and tomorrow's thunderstorm video possibly later on this evening, or Saturday, whatever day it is. School is really distracting me in my thunderstorm career. Yep, guys. Yep, school is ending for me this week because of the weekend, and as you know, school started for me on the 22nd of August. And I recently had my photo taken on picture day on Tuesday. I apologize if I didn't go to school on Monday. It's because Mom didn't take a bath. I apologize. Oh, damn, this lightning strike. All this lightning is air conditioners turned off and night games getting more frequent. And it's starting to rain. This storm, guess what? The storm is here.
And guys,
this storm is here right now. And my brother's afraid to go to sleep. He wants to see lightning with me.
it might snow.
There's no snow in September, dude.
But in November.
So, I guess we will resume this video.
So guys,
And the special weather statement I think it has expired or something. And I'm talking this out, guys. As lightning, as officially real storm is here. When my brother goes to sleep, I will be very silent.
oh guys,
And it's raining, which will get heavy. Alexa, what's the weather?
let me talk already. Let me do my thing already. So, guys, I released new merch.
Oh my god, you don't have a channel!
So,
Yep,
make sure you go buy the new merch.
and I'll be recording this direction for the rest of the video since lightning is now facing the direction my camera's pointing at right now.
And don't
Yep,
forget to
but
buy
Benjamin is coming really common for my thunderstorm videos.
buy the Roman sandals.
Oh my god, stop! Oh my god, you make me wake up these neighbors.
Buy the
No,
Roman
not probably.
Sanders merch.
Woman, enough. Go to sleep.
But
I don't care. Go to sleep.
Just buy my own merch.
Woman, if I stop talking, you go to sleep, I'll stop talking.
But my
Woman, when you go to sleep, this thunderstorm video will remain silent for the rest of the video since...
So I'll make sure.
Oh, this lightning is getting very frequent. And it's getting very close up.
don't want any thunderstorm. I want my sun back.
Go to sleep then.
Can I have a sun back?
Not until you go to sleep.
Stop rain.
Yep. It's raining right now.
Stop.
He's trying to be a baby. He's being a baby. He's being. Go to sleep. More lightning should strike any minute now. Why are you even crying for a hug? Well, no, my brother's fake crying. He likes to do that every single night. Go to sleep and get your mind off lightning. Your phone unplugged. So, when my brother goes to sleep, and I'll let you all to enjoy this peaceful moment as I'm filming the strike of lightning, as I'm filming this thunderstorm, trying to get it out by tomorrow, edit it on CapCut, possibly will take an hour to load. Oh god. Oh my god, I saw lightning strike in the direction that it was striking earlier. Oh, fuck you! Oh! Shut!
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Salt Lake.
Oh, we heard the other radio.
Central Davis County in northern at 11:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Syracuse to near West Bountiful, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
I'm trying to get a great catch of lightning, and the severe thunderstorm just had to go.
So,
Shh.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Keep water near Great Salt Lake. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah, Davis, and Salt Lake.
I wasn't expecting a severe thunderstorm warning. A severe thunderstorm warning went off. You're not invited. You'll be hearing this one the rest of the night.
Radar indicated. Impact.
we haven't heard the one yet. So this one went off.
But radio check went off. The 262 went off.
Oh, except for the MD319.
It didn't go off at all.
So, what if all 4 weather radios went off? Like, all 5, actually. Oh, what if all of them, like the other radios went off? But what if I did the MD319 right there? We all know what that.
It's getting windy outside.
If we get a new TTs. I might join. I gotta join in with my brother. So he invited me. So I'm finally get to be in the video.
The same time.
I gotta be in the video this time. It's finally time I get to be in the video. Oh, it's getting windy. Oh, it's getting cold though.
We're still leaving this up window open for sound. Sound purposes only.
I'm going to hide under a belt.
Good.
No, hide under Tippy's shirt.
Thunder is starting to accelerate occur.
I really need to ride my bike now. Can't wait anymore. I want to ride my bike now. I want a new Greenville update. So I think he might get the,
It might start to hail soon. It's getting late.
So if he gets the Radio Shack, he might get a black.
The door is swinging open. This is the first ever thunderstorm video with an EAS in it. Oh, it wasn't the Radio Shack this time. It was for 250. I think it was for 250, but I don't know what the video was. Let's continue to catch this beautiful moment storm, thunderstorm, with a face going off. Oh. Lightning is getting pretty close up. This range from this direction all the way to here. My George decided to shit with me again. Oh. Give me a better camera. So my comments will get to 0 cents of time. So I'll be talking a lot today, so my comments will get struck by lightning. Close lightning ahead. There'll be close lightning in this video. I cannot believe I recorded the birth of this storm.
Shut the fuck up on your chat.
I don't think it's stopping. I've never recorded a thunderstorm with a severe thunderstorm warning before. This will be 20 to 30 minutes long due to storage and bedtime. Oh! Wait, the warnings now? The warnings think so? What do you know? Version 17 caused enough. Now I don't want the version 20 causing enough damage. Look, I didn't get version 17 because it's crashing snow. And crashing snails deserve to be struck by. Any minute. It's crashing snow gets struck by lightning. My phone is dying on me, so that's why we'll be 20 to 30 minutes long. It's not the mirror that's doing it. Remember back in these good old days? When lightning was getting so close up, well, you could even see the neighborhood. Well, be yourself who's making the sound. Lightning struck ahead. Enough talking. I'm not ending this video here yet. I just started one lightning strikes to catch. I never expected a thunderstorm on a school night. I'm gonna tell everybody in my school. I'm gonna tell my whole class tomorrow about the storm. Even some of my friends. I'm not gonna mention the names since it's personal information. Oh, lightning struck over there. And it's getting windy. This time it's getting even worse than the August 1st storm. Alexa, what's the weather in Sunset, Utah? Alexa, what's the weather in Sunset, Utah? My phone's dying. It's at 14%. Well, we still have some lightning to record. I don't matter. I'm recording 90. I sincerely apologize. I'm coughing a lot recently. Yep. Yep, well, me and my brother stay awake and record this thunderstorm. You should be asleep by now, Moment. Honey.
I think you should get the...
I was gonna check my medicine, night medicine, you know what it is. Search it up on freaking Google. And recorded this very lightning storm that I'm able to catch. The only nighttime lightning storm that I'm able... Oh!
So
even closer. So the lightning from earlier is striking close now. Just like this lightning. And as lightning is striking, there's some twin, I don't know, glass on the shed. I always record the shed. And Mary the living room. So guys, whoa! Which is for 521. Or the 996, or the... I'm starting to do this recording since battery low preventing me.
You know, what if we had an advice?
Wow.
We had an advice. You know, a web.
I don't think I'm going to do the earliest recorded lightning video. I got interrupted by a person when I'm not mentioning.
I think the.
And I'll be using CapCut.
I think the radio shuts.
You know what CapCut is? CapCut is a free video editor provided by
I
Walmart.
think the radio shuts.
And it's a free video editor. It's one of those editors where CapCut Electronic Sounds came from, which is not an effects, it's a thunderstorm. Well, get CapCut today. Screw KineMaster. Screw your KineMaster. Only for hours. Good with CapCut. Good move to CapCut. I don't care. It's an editor. Whoa. So this video is sponsored by CapCut. Even though I'm not sponsoring us, no, not sponsoring us, thunderstorm. Or this video is struck by CapCut. Are you doing any sponsors yet? I hate sponsors. I don't get sponsors. So download CapCut today or lightning will strike your house. Download CapCut today to edit all those amazing strikes of lightning or whatever you're editing. I'm not taking my mask until the storm's over. Oh look, there's a raindrop on the windowsill. This storm is not severe to me. Oh. This is with special guest from Aaron HH50. Oh, the wind's getting stronger.
Waters which will result in hazardous boating conditions. Boaters are urged to seek safe harbor if possible. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between
And my Barry and my storage decided to screw me up again. Any minute now there'll be thunder.
82 and 87. If
Whoa.
outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.
There's no thunder this storm.
Torrential rainfall is also occurring with you.
No.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.
You know what's better than lightning?
The severe thunderstorm warning for northern Salt Lake and east central Davis counties is canceled.
Which one is
The
better?
storms which
Fireworks
prompted
or
warnings have weakened the low severe
It's cancelled.
and no longer pose an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. However, gusty winds and heavy rain are still possible with these thunderstorms. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions
Listen, my thunderstorm got cancelled and we're
southeastern Bucks,
This is not cancelled. This is not cancelled. If it's cancelled, then the ices are still going off in the thunderstorm.
radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along the line extending from 8 miles.
Whoa! We now have thunder.
Way to near
So this is.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 330 and 346.
My phone's dying.
Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 87. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms immediately.
No more beautiful lightning strikes tonight.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.